Hello, I'm Coach Bobby Gonzalez, former Big East College coach and current international pro coach. And now I'm here today to talk with you about something a little more serious than sports, which is the global pandemic that's been going on. And I want to mention a couple products that we can use for safety. But first I want to cover, I'm here in Yonkers, New York, and I want to cover a couple things about Westchester County, where we're at currently during this pandemic. Westchester could be days away from entering phase 2 of the 4-phase process of reopening the economy. As the region attempts to recover from the novel coronavirus COVID-19 crisis, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said the Mid-Hudson Valley region is on track to reopen as soon as Tuesday, June 9th, provided the area doesn't see a rise in COVID-19 hospitalization, infection, and fatality rates. Phase 2 would include outdoor dining at restaurants, office-based jobs, real estate, barbershops, salons, and expanded retail services. Though businesses reopening for Phase 2 will only be permitted to reach 50% occupancy, social distancing will be required and face coverings must be worn by employees. And next, I'd like to talk to you about 2 products that I've used the entire last 2.5 months that I think have helped keep me safe and my family and many of my friends. And now that we're getting ready to enter into the phase where we're going to be going back outside, and your kids and many people are going to be much more active, maybe getting involved in a summer camp, we're going to have to think about these things, which is the first one is the KN95 face mask that I want to show the proper way to put it on and off. It's a great product. It's made by Alchemy brand. It has got a 95% efficacy rate versus the transmission of the virus. And the way that it works is it helps to block the microbes. Not only do you wear the face mask to protect you from other people, but obviously you're protecting other people from yourself if, God forbid, you're asymptomatic. I'm going to use a scissors here to open it up. Again, it's called the KN95 face mask, and I've been wearing one of these every day for the last few months. We're going to talk again about the proper way to take it on and off. You take it out. Each one comes individually wrapped in a package. You put there's a metal nose clip, and that's how you know that the metal goes up top, and the bottom towards the mouth has a little bit thicker, a little more material. You want to put it on by using the earlobes. Very simply attach them around your ears. Obviously, I'm wearing my reading glasses, which I can take off now. You want to take the metal strip and bend it down comfortably over your nose. This bottom part you put over your face here, and of course it's on nice and snug, and you can even make this a little tighter if you want. And again, it's protecting you from sneezing or little droplets from going in and out. And then to take it off properly, you don't want to take your hand and grab the front of the face mask, because that might ruin the mask. So what you want to do is use the earlobes also to take it off. And what I've learned is the best thing I like to do when I take it off is we'll take the Magen Corona hand sanitizer, which is the second great product I really want to emphasize today and talk about, that I've been using religiously. Every time I go into a place, if I forget to have gloves or wear gloves, I use this. It's 80% denatured alcohol. We want to give the mask a couple sprays, not making it too wet, but just a couple sprays to maybe kill any little things that could be hanging around that might have gotten on your mask. We like to take the hand sanitizer, of course, and use it front and back, a couple, maybe 4 sprays. And this has helped to keep me, I believe, very safe during this pandemic for the last few months. These are both great products that I think can help you stay safe during this time.